Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing this cute Mother's Day cactus. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off by drawing the pot. Let's draw a curve across the center here. Then from the ends, let's bring it down on both sides. And then another curve at the bottom to close it off. Now underneath, let's step in and let's draw an angled line down on the left and the same on the right. And then a curve at the bottom. And lastly, inside, let's add a heart on the top right. And that's it for the pot. Next, let's move up and draw the first cactus. Let's start on the top left and let's draw a curve up and back down. Now let's move inside and draw the face. Let's start by drawing 2 circles for the eyes. Then inside each eye, let's draw a curve on the top right. And now let's color the bottom section in black. Next, above each eye, let's draw a curve. And that's it for the eyes. Next, let's move down and draw the mouth with a curve in the middle. And that's it for the face. Next, let's draw the next section of the body. On the top left, let's draw another curve coming out from the top. And then let's add a flower at the end with 3 bumps. And that's it for the first one. Next, let's draw the mom cactus. We'll start above the head and let's draw a curve up, over to the right, and back down. Now let's hop inside and draw the face. We'll start with a curve inside on the left and then flick it up at the end. And then one more eyelash on the outside. Now let's do the same thing for the right eye, but a little bit bigger like this. And now let's add the mouth with a curve underneath in the middle. Next, let's move to the sides and draw the arms. On the right side, let's add a curve. And then one more curve on the left here. And now let's hop to the top and add the flower with 3 bumps on the top right. And lastly, on both bodies, let's draw a bunch of diagonal lines for the needles. And that's it for this cute Mother's Day cactus. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!